Advancement in Forensic Entomology, Techniques and Applications. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Forensic entomology plays a very important role in forensic science. It provides valuable inputs for crime scene investigation. This involves looking into the many pest species that are commonly related to dead bodies, as well as their life cycles and biological presence in a specific environment. One of the key concerns of forensic entomologists is practical knowledge about the entomological evidence while collecting the insects and other biological fluids from the crime scene. Their collection and preservation is a major part for entomologists. Collection of entomological evidence may be in different stages of eggs, maggots, pupae, adults and different areas of cadavers and surrounding environment. Collected samples provide critical information about injuries, time since death, and possible locations of a crime. This study covers the concepts of forensic entomology, stages of decomposition, and the latest techniques used by entomologists. Additionally, the different techniques that are used to examine the entomological evidence, such as molecular analysis, enterotoxin analysis, micro-CT, cuticular hydrocarbon analysis, etc. have been discussed. Moreover, this study highlights the factors affecting PMI estimates and analyzes the uses of entomological data in PMI estimation. The main task is to determine the age of the insects. These advantages and disadvantages of age-determined methodologies are discussed in detail. The aim of this chapter is to summarize techniques that have so far been used commonly and all the latest advances made in the concerned field. All these methods have shown more reliable results, adequate accuracy, and more effectiveness. As evidence contamination is a major setback in providing results, these techniques have less risk of contamination of evidence and have also proved to be less time-consuming. Through the content, readers will gain knowledge of the developments in the forensic entomology field and how they affect the preciseness and effectiveness of crime scene investigations. Introduction. Forensic entomology is a branch of science that uses the study of insects to help solve crimes, especially when it comes to figuring out the time and cause of death. When a body is left in the open, different types of insects, such as flies and beetles, arrive and grow through various life stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult, in a specific order. By studying these insects and their development, experts can estimate how long the person has been dead, where they may have died, and sometimes even if the body has been moved. This method is especially useful when other clues are missing or unclear. Insects are like silent witnesses that leave behind important evidence. Their presence depends on the environment, temperature, and location, which helps forensic experts link the crime to a specific time and place. Forensic entomologists collect and examine these insects from the crime scene and use scientific knowledge to help police and investigators solve the case. Over the past couple of decades, this field has grown rapidly and is becoming an essential part of modern criminal investigations. Conclusion. This review highlights the latest advancements and challenges in forensic entomology, the science of using insects to help solve crimes. It emphasizes the importance of proper training and hands-on experience for forensic entomologists, especially when collecting insects and biological evidence like fluids from a crime scene. How this evidence is collected and preserved plays a major role in the success of an investigation. The review offers guidance to improve these practices, helping professionals make better decisions during real cases. High-quality work by entomologists ensures that the evidence is reliable and can be confidently presented in court. Overall, this document supports better understanding and more accurate use of insect-related evidence in criminal investigations.
for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.